epic fail. Let's try that again. Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another style try-on haul situation. Today we are going to be featuring Aerie American Eagle. I think I ordered from both sites, but you can get them all at the same time, which is freaking awesome. I have not shopped at American Eagle or Aerie in goodness. Well, I bought a bathing suit like 2 years ago from there. But besides that, I haven't shopped there since I was in high school, I want to say, not even like college. I want to say high school was the last time that I really shopped there. So some of y'all requested to see this brand featured, so I did. I got 8 pieces and I'm going to be styling them in 13 different outfits. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, this first piece is this beautiful green sweater. I love things like this. I love crew necks. It's really soft. It feels like it's been worn for like ever. I really, honestly, okay, I have bought a sweatshirt from American Eagle in the past, like, oh my god, it's probably been 4 years still, that I absolutely love this sweatshirt. It's so worn in and it feels nice, and that's what I love about this one as well. It's a crew neck sweater. It's in this beautiful bright green, which I think is like one of my favorite colors, and it says happiness embroidered and stitched. And when I purchased all this, I got insane deals, so I will link all of the items down below, as well as any other pieces that I use to style these outfits. If I can find something or similar, and sizes, all that stuff will be listed down below. But I absolutely love this sweatshirt. I got it in a small, but it is still a little bit like loose and oversized. Nothing crazy, but it's not like a super fitted hoodie or like crew neck, sorry. You could also, one way I didn't show it, but I thought about it when I was styling, is to throw on like a basic Oxford, white Oxford underneath it, which I thought would be really cute. But I absolutely love this, totally keeping this, and I'm gonna probably be living in this. I think it's such a pretty, fun pop of color. And I just styled it with a pair of jeans and some Converse. Can't go wrong with that. All right, this next item, I think I had seen on someone's Instagram, and I wanted to try it out myself. I did get an extra small in it, and to be honest with you, I probably, because it said oversized, I probably would have gone with my true to size to make it a little bit more oversized and like cuddly and snuggly. But I grabbed this. It's an oversized Henley sweater. Like I said, I sized down because I didn't want it to be super oversized, but I probably would just go with my normal size if I was repurchasing it again. It's super nice and cozy. You can definitely like elevate this with a pair of jeans, or not elevate it, but make it more casual with a pair of jeans, or dress it super comfy with a pair of leggings and some sneakers. Either way, I think this is such a versatile piece. You can obviously make it much more like elevated, and or make it super cozy, comfy, like stay at home, throw it on with a pair of leggings and you're good to go. This is really nice. Okay, this next item is something that I recently actually got rid of in my collection because it was similar to this, but it was a zip up and it was super, super long. This is more of a cropped fitted military jacket-esque situation thing. I don't know. I love it. It has a hood. I love the details on it. The really thick drawstrings are just such a cute, like, I don't know, addition to it. I love the front like hoodie sort of vibe that it gives you with the big front pocket, and it is stretchy along the waist, but it also has like a drawstring that's functional, but it already is stretchy. So just so you're aware, like the back is stretchy and the front is, you can cinch it in even more with this tie around the waist. But I absolutely love this. It's lightweight, but it's still like a really nice layering piece. I layered just a basic black tank top underneath to give it some like pop up at the top, but I absolutely love this. And I think that they come in like a denim as well, which would have been really pretty, but I didn't have anything like this since I had just sold my last one on Poshmark. So, and my Poshmark is always linked down below if you guys are interested in shopping any of my clothes, but this I am happy to have back into my wardrobe. Okay, this next piece is by far my favorite piece that I got, and mostly just because of its versatility. I'm literally gonna show you like 4 or 5 outfits with this piece. The only thing is I would have probably sized down. So I got this in a small and it's very oversized. I almost wish I had this when I was pregnant because it is so bump friendly. It is so long and so like, I'm obsessed with it. Okay, it's this white like quarter zip sweater it is a sweater, but I absolutely love this. This looks like almost like a Lululemon. It looks so high quality. It's from their Offline by Aerie. I don't know what that means, but I fell in love with it. It has the little thumb holes, which you can style it with the thumb holes, and I would if I'm wearing it more like athletic. So like I paired it with a pair of black joggers, which I love from Amazon, and some sneakers, and that's such a casual, and a baseball cap, such a casual chill outfit. You can also style it up by tucking it up into your bra for a more cropped look with a pair of jeans, and you're good to go with a pair of sneakers. And it's a little bit more of a, I guess, nicer way to style it versus an athletic wear. And then you can go completely athletic with a pair of leggings. And this, I wanted to show the versatility of the length with this. Obviously with leggings, it is super legging friendly, covers the front, covers the back, so you're good to go. And I absolutely love this all white color. It does come in other colors, but I absolutely love like the striping detail to it. And paired with a pair of white sneakers, I just feel like it's such a classic, clean look. And I'm obsessed with it. It's my favorite piece by far. Another way that you can obviously bring this into the summer is to throw it on with a pair of shorts and some Birkenstocks. I think white is a way that you can transform it into a lighter, like a white sweater, I think transfers into summer, spring really seamlessly. So I would love to just like fold down the collar, throw this on with a pair of shorts over top of a bathing suit. And it's lightweight enough that you don't feel like, why are you wearing a sweater in the summer? Makes sense? Love it. And then the next favorite thing that I purchased from this haul are these jogger legging things. I had no idea that I would love these this much, to be honest with you. They're again from the Offline brand. They are high-rise, like legging joggers. I don't know how to explain it. I've seen them like everywhere. I feel like on Instagram and whatnot, they have pockets. I would wear these to the gym. Like they're that good, but I styled them in many different ways so you could see. So I styled it basically with a black tank or black sports bra, which is what I would wear to the gym, with some sneakers. These are amazing. They're not like, they're like a very thicker, they're like a thicker material and not like a legging material. I don't know how to explain it. So I don't know if it's gonna be the most breathable, so I wouldn't recommend it for like HIIT workout, but like for arm, upper body day, I would be fine. And I absolutely love them. I feel like they're perfect. They fit so nicely. They're flattering, and I love the cheetah print with the green. I don't know. I'm seriously digging these, or leopard. I think they're called leopard, but I'm seriously loving these. I paired it, like I said, with the basic sports bra with a black sweater to elevate it a little bit more. I would say you could wear this to like a restaurant, not like a nice restaurant, but to like go grab lunch with a black sweater. I wear this thing all the time, and some black Vans, super casual. Or you could throw it on with a t-shirt and a denim jacket and make it a little more like daytime sort of thing, from gym to the rest of your day. I literally love these leggings. I don't think I could say enough about them. They're phenomenal. I forgot to talk about this little hat too. I'm obsessed with this. This is so cute. I wear hats all the time to go for my walks and whatnot, and this again passes the test because it covers the ears so I don't get like the elf ears. If you know, you know. It's just cute. It has a smiley face, which I think is like super popular all over nowadays, and I love the denim look, especially with like my blue eyes and blonde hair. So this is a keeper. To get a pair of shoes, I've been on the hunt for a pair of clogs, like fuzzy, are they called clogs? Loafers? I called them clogs when I was a kid. I don't know, but these, if you watched my Nasty Gal haul, I had to return those because they were too small and I loved them. But these I feel like are almost too wide and too like slippery looking. They're really cute, and honestly, they were super on sale, so I might keep them for like the camper. How nice would that be? Like our RV, because they're shearling all inside, so they're so fuzzy and so comfy, but they're just a little bit like slippery looking from the front. So I'm still looking for more of like a out of the house clog. Are they called clogs? What the heck are these things called? I don't even know, but I kind of like them. Okay, last but not least, I feel like these just didn't do it for me. Honestly, I probably would like them a whole lot more if they had them in my size. I had to go down a size because they didn't have a small left, and that should have been my first inkling to not get them. But I don't have a pair of overalls in my collection, and I used to love them. I used to wear them all the time. So these are a pair of corduroy leggings, overalls. They're cropped at the bottom, super cute. I just don't know if they're like, I don't know. You guys will have to chime off in the comments down below. Like always, I love you guys when you give me feedback on different pieces, whether you think they should stay or go, or if you like the way I styled it and whatnot. I love the thought of these. They're super stretchy, very comfortable, but like I said, I feel like they're just a bit too fitted for me. And I just paired them with these little socks that I was obsessed with. I got these specifically to wear with my high top Converse and like underneath like ankle jeans and things like that. With this, I don't know how well it looks, but that's the thought process behind what I wanted them for. But I love, again, with the smiley trendy faces, I think it's super cute. So let me know in the comments what you think about these overalls, if you think they should stay or go. That's like the main thing I'm like on the fence about. But if you need only 2 items from this entire haul, you need those leggings and you need that white sweater, because so good. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this haul and style try on video. If you guys, again, like to see these type of videos, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below what other brands that you want to see, so I will continue to do these hopefully weekly on my channel from now on. And if you aren't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!